All right, I'm here with Derek from DG Concrete here in Morgantown, Kentucky. And Derek just bought a batch plant, Frumecar Dry batch plant, 3000, module dry 3000. Derek, I just wanted to ask you a couple questions.
Go ahead.
All right, tell us a little bit about like why you decided to have your own batch plant. And look, you're a busy guy. That's good. Means you
Really the main reason is just the affordability of the concrete for my own company, but I also on the retail side of things to hope to bring in other customers to help purchase concrete. The timelines, you're always waiting on concrete from other competitors, it seems as if, and I think this will help with the scheduling as well.
Nice. So you wanted to save some money, not beholden to somebody else for schedule. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit of like, what did you consider when you started looking around? Like, what were the factors in sort of deciding what brand to go with, or what type of
obviously there's three or four good brands out there, and the timeline was probably one of the biggest factors. Machinery Partners and Frumecar, they were offering probably about a eight month turnaround is about where we ended up, and it beat all the other competitors by another still 3 or 4 months probably. So all in all, the timeline was good. We wanted to get a quick response and get it up and running. We was hoping for early spring delivery and setup. Wanting to get the full summer in of pouring, but here we are, late July.
Yeah.
But we still plenty of summer left. Still plenty of good weather. I think we'll have a good start up for the year and have a good production.
Nice. And how'd you decide to go with a dry mix versus a wet mix plant?
It's just the only way to go in this area. There's really not many wet mixes, and just the cleanup is so much less. Just mix it all in the truck and be done with it. Just seems to be the way to do it.
Nice. Okay. And can you tell us a little bit about like the experience with Machinery Partner? Like, did you get information online? Did you have
started off online? Just a few ads on Facebook, and first time you click one, then boom, they're all over the place, and your phone blows up every day in your emails. But Machinery Partner's have been good to work with. Overall, no complaints. The timeline was a little bit of a challenge starting off, but a lot of it had to do with the tariffs, most likely, and just things that's out of everybody's control.
Right.
And at the end of the day, I feel like we got a good product. I feel like we got something we're going to be very happy with, long lasting. Looks like good quality.
Awesome. What's your favorite feature of this Frumecar dry batch plant?
The favorite feature is it's here and it's operational.
All right.
Yeah,
a working machine. That's a great answer.
We've been waiting on this day for a while. We've only had a few test runs at this point. We're getting ready to actually here very shortly, here in the next hour or so, making a good pour here at the plant, trying things out. So we're excited to see how that goes.
Awesome.